Good morning students. Today we are going to start the remaining part of 17th lesson, and that is video number 6. Okay, look here. Here is one question. Here is a list of verbs with prepositions. Okay, complete the sentence below with a verb from the list. Okay, the first verb plus preposition. Okay, believe in. Then second, care about. Next one, talk about. Listen to. Next one is listen to someone or something. Call on. Concentrate on. Apply for. Next one is complain about. Agree with. Write about. Verb plus preposition. Care for. Rely on someone. Laugh at. Ask for. Look after. These are the list of verb plus preposition, verbs with preposition, and we have to complete the sentences below. Look here. Here are some sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are some sentences. We have to complete this sentence with the help of this verb plus prepositions or verbs. Are you getting that? Now let's start. Okay, the first for example, Tom doesn't care about. Okay, Tom doesn't care about having lots of friends. He just want to study hard and get good result. Okay, here we already use here doesn't or does not. Doesn't care about, verb plus prepositions according to sentence meaning. Okay, now the next one is here, or the first one is here. Okay, according to sentence meaning we have to use one. Okay, you should dash your parents and your teachers because they are older and wiser than you. Okay, you should dash your parents and your teachers because they are older and wiser than you. Okay, you can use here listen to. Okay, this verb, listen to. Okay, and you can write here. Okay, now you can complete this. You should listen to your parents and your teachers because they are older and wiser than you. The same like thing, the second one is here. My big sister Molly has always helped me with my schoolwork. Full stop. I dash her completely. Okay, according to sentence meaning we have to use the correct one, and that is rely on. Okay, the second one verb we can use here. Okay, that is rely on. Okay, you can write here. Rely on her completely. Now like this, my big sister Molly has always helped me with my schoolwork. Full stop. I rely on her completely. Okay, rely on someone. You can add here also someone. Instead of someone we use here her. Okay, are you getting that? Instead of someone we use here her. Her is used for this Molly. Okay, third one is here. Ben's sisters had just graduated from university, so she dash for jobs. Okay, according to this sentence meaning we can use here this verb. Okay, apply plus for. Already is here for, so we can write here is applying. Okay, is applying this word. Applying. For is there, so already for is given here for jobs. Okay, Ben's sisters had just graduated from university, so she is applying for jobs. Okay, now the next one is here 4 number. Okay, 4 number. We blank to music when the head teacher came in. Okay, according to sentence meaning, we use here listen to someone, so we can use here we. Okay, according to this sentence meaning, we were. Okay, we were. Look here, came, it is related with past, so we add here this past helping verb were. Were listening. Okay, listening. Look here, here is someone, so we here already word, okay, to music, so there is no add the someone. We were listening. Okay, are you getting that? We were listening to music when the head teacher came in. Now next sentence is here. Nick is really bright and has interesting ideas and opinions, but I don't always dash him. Okay, according to sentence meaning, we use here agree with this verb. Okay, you can write here agree with. Okay, fifth one. Are you getting that? Agree with him. Okay, now the next one is here Ima. Okay, sixth one is Ima dash. Okay, Ima dash going swimming at the weekend. Okay, going is the main verb and swimming used as a gerund. Okay, are you getting that? It is also one verb, but here it is used as a gerund. Okay, according to this sentence meaning, okay, we can use here the correct one. That verb is talking about. Okay, talk about. Look here, this verb talk about. So sixth one, Ima is. Okay, Ima is. Okay, talking about. Okay, Ima is talking about going to. Okay, here is one mistake in your book, you can correct it. To swim. Okay, it is only swim at the weekend. You can use in this way. Ima is talking about going to swim. Okay, there is no need to add here this word swim. Okay, at the weekend. Okay, I think you can got the clear idea. You can solve here like this. Ima is talking about going to swim at the weekend. Full stop. In this way you can complete. Okay, the terms. Okay, my parents dash the value of good education. According to sentence meaning, we can use here this verb believe in. Okay, are you getting that? You can write here that verb, that is believe in. Okay, in seventh one. Okay, this one believe one. Believe in the value of good education. Now the eighth one is here. I went into the cafe and dash an orange juice and coffee. Okay, according to sentence meaning, you can use here ask for. Okay, ask for. Are you getting that? Ask for. Went, it is past tense. Okay, it is past tense, so you can write here asked for an orange juice and coffee. Okay, next one is there is a lot of noise coming from playground, so children can't dash their work. Okay, here is one word, that is concentrate on. Okay, so you can write here that verb. Okay, you can use there. Okay, that one is concentrate on their work. Okay, there is a lot of noise coming from the playground, so the children can't concentrate on their work. Okay, in this way you can complete this question number F in your book, also in notebook. Okay, the chapter is over right now. We will start the next chapter in tomorrow's video. Okay.